It's WHRV's Morning Edition. The beginning of June with summer on the cusp. And here we are again on Thursday mornings to talk about local events and happenings. Joining us as always, CANDO Plus. How are you, pal?
Chuck, I am super duper excited about summer. That's how I'm doing.
We really couldn't ask for better weather than we're having. And each week we do this on Thursday mornings if you're brand new to Morning Edition, where we give you a list of events and happenings that are going on around the region. And you can go and check them out, new things for you to experience. CANDO Plus comes to us from the Contemporary Arts Network to tell us about all of those things. You promised the first one was going to have something to do with strawberries. What's going on?
That's right. Do you like strawberries, Chuck? Because Jane Austen Strawberry Festival tea tasting is happening. And it's going to be Friday, June 5th through Sunday, June 7th.
I have to be straight. You never struck me as a Jane Austen fan, my friend.
Well, Chuck, there's a lot you don't know about me, okay?
Okay.
This is going to be at the Stillwater Tea House. That is going to be in Suffolk. And it's a 3-day Jane Austen-themed strawberry festival tea experience featuring 4 themed teas, including strawberry vanilla, Jane Austen tea blend, double green strawberry matcha, matcha fans out there, that's for you, and strawberry milkshake, plus a multi-course meal. So it's $65 per person.
The Jane Austen Strawberry Tea Festival in Portsmouth. And actually, the live screenplay of that holds one of my favorite quotes of all time.
Which quote is it?
All right, you ready?
Okay.
I really like human beings who've suffered. They're kinder.
Yeah, I don't know what to say about that.
I'll tell you what we can say about that. If you've ever met someone who sat on the James River Bridge in an hour and a half of traffic, they are neither happy nor kind.
I get it, Chuck.
Jane Austen was never on that bridge.
Right.
So, all right, we leave the Jane Austen Tea Festival and we head out further into Suffolk. Hey, kids, who wants to go to the Great Dismal Swamp?
I do. And that's why we got the Great Dismal Swamp National Wildlife Refuge, Swamp Safari. It's going to be Saturday, June 6th, 9:30 a.m. to 1 p.m., and it departs from Suffolk Visitor Center, and that's in Suffolk, just like it said.
Yeah, I should hope.
Now, this is a guided tour of one of America's last great wildernesses. The Great Dismal Swamp, home to black bears, bobcats, river otters, rare plants, and a rich underground railroad history. This is a 3.5-hour narrated experience departing from the Suffolk Visitor Center, just like it said.
And I'll tell you, they have a great staff out there. You will have an afternoon of this. It's like you said, it's over 3 hours, and it's just, you're going to get storytelling, you'll get factoids, and you leave there a wiser person for it. So that is out in Suffolk at the Visitor Center. And then now we are going to head where?
We go back indoors for the Books and Brews Fairy Fest. This is going to be Saturday, June 6th from 12 p.m. to 4 p.m. This is at New Realm Brewing Company over in Suffolk. Again, Suffolk coming out swinging in June, right?
Yeah, good on them.
This is a family-friendly afternoon of fairy tales and craft beers where stories come to life. This is a magical fantasy-themed event with local vendors, themed activities, and good vibes flowing through the brewery.
And then, as we wrap up, it's summertime when the music is happening in Virginia Beach at the amphitheater, and the legend is back.
Yep, the legend of Dave Matthews Band. This is going to be Saturday, June 6th at 7:30 p.m. at the Veterans United Home Loans Amphitheater in Virginia Beach. Grammy Award-winning rock band Dave Matthews Band performs at the Veteran United Homes Loan Amphitheater, known for their hits including Crash Into Me, Ant Marching, Two-Step, and decades of jam band influence.
Yeah, get those now because Dave Matthews Band,
Yeah, I pretty much expect that to sell out.
All right, well, listen, CANDO not only happens on Thursdays, but we run our CANDO community calendar on the weekends here on WHRV, but we can't talk about your events unless you tell us about your events.
That's right. They got to send those events to CANDO at WHRO.org and 2 weeks in advance so we have time to put them on the list. We actually want to put them on the list, so send us your events.
That's CANDO at WHRO.org. CANDO Plus from the Contemporary Arts Network. Thanks for stopping by, my friend.
Later, guys.